Have you ever wondered why some people snore? Well, believe it or not, but the answer behind it is quite complex. You see, snoring can be caused by a number of factors, such as the anatomy of your mouth and sinuses, alcohol consumption, allergies, and your weight. When you doze off and progress from a light sleep to a deep sleep, the muscles in the roof of your mouth, tongue, and throat start relaxing. The tissues in your throat can relax enough that they partially block your airway and vibrate. The more narrowed your airway, the more forceful the airflow becomes. This increases tissue vibration, which causes your snoring to grow louder. Snoring can sometimes also be a symptom of obstructive sleep apnea, a condition where breathing stops and starts repeatedly during sleep, which is a much bigger problem and should be treated as early as possible.